In the midst of time, before history was written and our world was new, He speaks without a sound or word. When a hush goes viral in our heavens, our stars pause their rhythm. Every ear in existence trained to hear. Darkness adapted, defiance remained.
But request the honor, join the narrative. Request His honor in deference to His standing. For silence is brimming with potential, a peak in blue.
Let's petition.
He speaks without a sound or word.
Silence is brimming with potential.
Join the narrative, request His honor.
He speaks without a sound or word.
Silence is brimming with potential. Join the narrative, request His honor.
Each star has its placement, station keeping.
As a statement of truth,
It was by design. Moon's cadence mastered the measure of duty.
then the turn.
The almighty creator become the creature among us.
Love's measured reach is limitless, yet His capable hands pierce the ordinary.
Our nature's bellow of life, worn to a frazzle,
The heart a shattered castle.
persisting with a stubborn human rhythm. Jesus arrived with a quiet grace.
No storm announced His presence.
Only a sacred silence.
He wore no golden laurel.
Only the animal's breath, His throne reclaimed lumber.
A hallowed absence.
Speaking eternity's language of patience. Following the world's charted pavements, frayed at the edges by tribulation. He embraced the untouchable, those consigned to oblivion. Where faith drew dividing lines, He crafted foundations for
A dining platform.
Before the rock of reckoning, He bowed His face to the earth, and from that dust showed compassion, a radical vision of a kingdom not of this world, where the last shall be first, where wisdom knows the difference, and love doesn't keep a record wrong.
God obeyed His own conscience, let it roam the globe, observing closely where it hurts most, past surface protection.
To the tender watching, a heft to the silence. The day that dissolves into darkness, placid but wretched. And thereupon, when the final ember of hope was smothered, God remained active beyond the line of sight. Nothing divine dies, it only presses pause.
We welcome in tomorrow, bearing the weight of the undeniable. Death may close the book, but love continues the story.
Now God, veiled brilliance, a strong nuclear force, holding the spaces for their own healing. And Jesus, a survivor's signature, tears were known. So when the prayer of silence shows up, when the light of faith dances on the edge of darkness, remember,
God is the silent whisper in life's thread,
and Jesus is history's extending palm.
the sentiment holds true.
Come with me, I have trodden this path before, the way, the truth, and the life.
Amen.